Hello, I am Mata, and today I will show you how we can learn Directus locally on our Windows machine or any machine locally and for free. So if you don't know, Directus is a headless CMS which is very easy to set up and use, and also you can deploy to your VPS. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to create a Docker compose file. So I will just create a simple project, a folder, for example, Directus local, and let me just open this with CMD. So Windows R and type in CMD, and it will just bring up this CMD. Let me just go into my desktop and go into my directory now. Local the directory that we have created. Now I need to create a new file inside of directory, so I will just code to open it in console a VS Code file that has AI integrated in it. And we will just create a Docker hyphen compose dot, dot YAML, a Docker compose file. And simply I will paste this code in it, and also I will leave this code in a link down below. So if you don't know, this is simply a Docker compose file which just specifies the Directus version and gets this Directus image, and it will have this key, and this key will be a cryptographic key used to sign and encrypt sensitive data such as JWT tokens and API credentials. It is better to set a long key, but since all this will be local and I'm not going to deploy that, so your secret key is fine for now. And this secret is an additional security secret used for hashing and securing various aspects of dialector. So it is also better to set a long key for that. And here this will be the admin email and the admin password which we will log in with. It is better of course to set your personal email or like at least add a password, not just password. And here just specifies DB client. In our case, I'm going to be using Postgres, so PG, then this DB host, so it will just say DB, then part, this part will be the part where Postgres will be running, and just create a database user for Postgres and the Postgres password. And this would be depends on DB, which is another service which would be just this image simple setup for Postgres. And of course, you can change these values if you want. Now you need to install Docker. So to install Docker, you can just go to Docker install it and install Docker. And it is very easy to install it. You can install it in Ubuntu and Windows and Mac, or the everywhere you want. And then launch Docker. I'm not sure if you need to launch Docker on Mac, but on Windows you just need to open up Docker Desktop, and it is also better to see like what's going on and things like that. So I've opened Docker little, and now what we want to do when this will open up, we will just run this Docker compose. So what we can do at now, just go here and say Docker compose compose. I think that was the command. Yeah, that is the command, and now it's installing Directus and also installing Postgres. On the VPS, it's simply the same thing that I think. So a little, it's now installing, and after that, we should be able to see our Docker, our local Directus on part 8055, totally for free, and we don't need to buy or do anything. And Directus, if you want, it has a cloud platform where you can host your Directus instance on it, but it will be $15 per month, all for one studio and 50,000 API requests. And if you just want to test it, this I think this is cheap. You can just buy it for 1 month if you want, but you can also get this professional, which has more things you can use. Also, the self-hosted, which you can use the open license for $0, and you can also get this production license if you need more things or that you have a big organization. And so now this is almost done. So I will pause the video, and when it is finished setting up the Directus image and the uh, Postgres image, I will come back. I went and grabbed some water, and the little it has uh, finished loading Directus, and now it is running, and this is the logs. Now we can just go to a new tab in our browser, and let's go to localhost 8585. I think this was the part. Wait 1 second, I will check what. Yeah, 80. It is 8055. 8055. Deleted. This is the Directus running locally on our computer, and I can simply sign in with the password and email that we have set up locally. So I can just go to admin.com, admin, a mistake, admin, and what for the example, let me just public live. Um, it is password, the password. So it is pass, password. So it is Now, this is Directus running locally on our machine inside the Docker. And if you are wondering, this is what we just have this Directus local learning these two things, and it's not consuming a lot of CPU, which is good. This is how you can create a Directus instance locally on your computer, and you can build anything with it. You can go set up users, create collections, anything. And I'm planning on creating a new playlist and in each video of that playlist, we will be creating a project which will involve Directus. If you are interested in that playlist, please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.